When I first started to think about doing the MAT program, my biggest concern was I will never be able to read everything or listen to all of the lectures or do all of the homework and still have a life. But Williams has an excellent reputation for their already established undergraduate teacher education program. I mean, schools want our teachers because they are prepared in every single way that they could be prepared. They can walk into a classroom, they can know what to do, they know how to teach. There's no questioning that if you get a Williams teacher, they're going to know what to do in that classroom and in all situations in an educational setting. And so that's why I chose Williams for my MAT degree. Hi, my name is Grace Stoltz and I am enrolled in the MAT program at Williams Baptist University. I am a wife and I am a mother and I work and I am getting ready to be a classroom teacher. My undergraduate degree is not in a teaching field, and now as I'm older and I have a family and I'm trying to make decisions about, okay, what career do you want for the rest of your life? It kept coming back to I love teaching people anything, whether it's, the Bible or literature or grammar. And when Williams announced that they were making an MAT program, I knew that it was my time. I mean, it's scary to start a graduate program. It's scary to go back to school whenever you already feel like I'm juggling 30 things. I don't think I can juggle one more, but I never doubted that every step of the process would be taken care of and that I could depend on the people that were ushering me through this process. And I have no doubts that the Williams MAT program has prepared me for interviewing, for taking a job, for knowing what to do. It's something new is always intimidating and scary for me at least, but my courses and the guidance and wisdom that my professors are providing me with, absolutely, in every single way, I know that I can walk into a classroom and be prepared. I don't feel like I've really given up anything because I just manage my time. I'm learning what I need to learn. I'm getting the job done. Maybe sometimes I'm listening to my lectures while I'm cooking dinner or playing with my little girl, but I'm still doing it all amazingly. With help and by the grace of God, I'm doing it all, and I'd like to say that I'm flourishing at it. And I'm still having time to play with my kid or to go on a date with my husband or to get my job done. Like, nothing has been taken away from my life. There have only been additions.